Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Very excited to show you a 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX that just came in stock. Got the classic white hull, black gel stripe, and our power tower. 260 SLX came to the Sea Ray family just a couple years ago. Absolutely beautiful boat. We do have our trim tabs, underwater lighting, and our 350 horsepower Mercruiser Bravo 3. So lots of power when you're out there in the water. Manual swim step to get in and out of the boat, and then also our boarding ladder. Got a lot of room here for a 26-foot boat. Lots of storage and cup holders all around. Great to entertain with your friends and family. Nice U-shaped seating for port. And then we have our starboard seating here behind the captain's chair. Flip up bolsters on each. This does have the vacuum flush head. Over here on our starboard side, we do have the push, start, stop, digital throttle and shift, and our twin SIMRAD display screens for all of our engine diagnostics, chart plotting. Everything's very accessible here at the helm. Nice Bluetooth fusion audio, and then a traditional center walkthrough up to the bow. This also has the bow filler cushion and 2 tables. And this is a 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX located here at Store in Rogers. If you have any questions about this boat or anything else we have in stock, please give us a call or stop on by. Thanks.